Hi, thanks for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. I really do appreciate your time, taking the few minutes out of your day to tune in, to maybe learn about the opportunity if you're already thinking about doing this business. If you haven't yet visited our website, please take a look, ecowashindustries.com, or feel free to give us a call anytime at 480-789-0931. You'll find a lot of great information there on the website as well as additional videos. And here I'm just giving you a quick tour of our brand new EWI headquarters right here in Phoenix, Arizona. We now have about 11,000 square feet combined with our other space just south of this property. But this is our brand new manufacturing facility, allowing us again to expand our product line and continuously moving forward with the demand. If you're thinking about doing this business, it's definitely the time. Everything that's going on out there, a lot of people are certainly paying attention to the washing and sanitizing of these areas, and you know, they're starting to listen. You know, I've been at this business now for about 4 years, and this is exactly why we're in business, because no matter what's going on in the world, this would never go away. Someone has to take care of it. We're definitely the company to do it. When you reach out to EWI, you're going to learn more about the business. I think that's the biggest value our company offers to most startup companies, is the know-how. We're one of the only manufacturers who have gone out, procured our own municipalities, work with solid waste companies to maintain these specific areas, with not only being far more efficient than their manual process when they maintain these containers, but also helping them save money, in some case up to 60 to 75%, which is quite a bit of savings for these companies for their annual maintenance budget. And this truck is our most popular EcoWash system. It's a hybrid truck allowing you to wash dumpsters and residential barrels all on the same system, not leaving you limited when you're starting your business. You can average up to about 30 dumpsters a day, as well as 250 trash barrels per day as you're going out on route. Again, visit our website, ecowashindustries.com. Take a look at the Kickstarter package. We guarantee you the best value to help you start your business. So pick up the phone and give us a call. I look forward to hearing from you. Once again, I really do appreciate your time. My name is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.